Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to stop new data from flowing into iCloud right now. On your iPhone or iPad Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Turn off iCloud Photos and iCloud Drive so photos and files stop uploading. Next, disable iCloud Backup to prevent automatic device backups. If you plan to fully avoid iCloud, sign out on devices you control. Once done, make sure to transfer any critical files locally so nothing is lost when you stop syncing. Now you'll relocate data and cut remaining syncs. Export photos and videos to your computer or an external drive using Photos or Finder. This preserves originals and frees space. Then, in iCloud settings, turn off contacts, calendars, and notes. Sync one by one so your personal info stops syncing. Move documents from iCloud Drive into local folders or upload them to another cloud service if you want off-device access. Make sure files copied correctly before deleting. Finish by removing leftover iCloud storage items to avoid accidental charges. Go to Settings, iCloud, Manage Storage, and delete old device backups you no longer need. This reclaims space immediately. Then check iCloud Drive and Photos and remove uploaded files only after confirming local copies exist. Finally, verify each device is signed out or has sync services disabled and that you have current local backups. If something goes wrong, first restore from your local backup and check that you exported.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.